Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to generate hidden text or shapes on any image using inpainting. We are going to do this the precise, professional way. The best part? This method is completely free, surprisingly easy to use, and remains one of the most powerful techniques available today. Most other software tools simply don't allow this level of control over hidden text and inpainting. That is why this method hasn't lost its value over time. For this tutorial, we will be using ComfyUI. You can use either the desktop version or the online version. I have listed all the required models in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. Now, let's try this same process using the Flux Point 2 Max multimodal model. On paper, this is a very powerful model, but let's see how it performs in real practice. As you can see, the result is not quite as expected as we wanted. Unfortunately, many multimodal models fail to deliver stable and accurate results when it comes to hidden text and inpainting. So, let's compare the results side by side. here is the output from ComfyUI, Flux Point 2 Max, and Nano Banana Pro. You can clearly see which one actually works better. But don't go anywhere. In the next part, I'll show you how to generate these same results in true 4K quality using the SDXL model, step by step. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below.